I was gonna do the tree fairying, but perhaps a little bit later. I'm gonna at least walk down to the creek and see what it's doing before any storms come. I like to keep track. Woohoo! And he's always in agreement, I think. Game saved! Trying to see where all those nests are out here. All my hawks and stuff. Because I know it's a bunch of owls. And then them hawks I keep catching on video. They've been making nests in these trees for years. And man, all that logging across the street. I hate to keep bringing it up. I am just... Woo! Solutions, Father. Oh, Tony left every speck of dirt, every tree, every leaf, every little tiny. And I do too. And these kids, these trees grew up hearing my baby's laughter as they grew. I wanna touch the earth. I wanna break it in my hands. I wanna grow something wild and unruly. I wanna sleep on hard grass in the comfort of your arms. And low up blue bottoms and a blanket made of stars. Oh, it sounds good to me. Cowboy, take me away. Fly this girl as high as she can into the wild blue. Set me free, oh, I pray. Fly through the heaven above and closer to you. Closer to you. Oh, I love them so. My escorts walk, not run. I wanna skip and not fall. Wanna look at the horizon and not see buildings standing tall. Wanna be the only one for miles and miles, except for maybe you and your simple smile, which sounds good to me. Sounds so good to me. Cowboy, take me away. Ah! Fly this girl as high as you can into the wild blue. Set me free, oh, I pray. Closer to heaven above and closer to you. Closer to you. I want to touch the earth. I want to break it in my hands. I want to grow something wild and unruly. Sounds so good to me. Cowboy, take me away. Fly this girl as high as you can into the wild blue. Set me free, oh, I pray. Closer to heaven above and closer to you. Closer to you. 30 years. Cowboy, take me away, closer to you. Any new tracks? Oh yeah, don't you know? Woohoo. I guess that's all they wanted to show me today. My bird friends.